Can you make your pen dents on a math equation like this?
Huh?
Well, today, we're diving into the wild world of equations. From the baby-level linear ones, all the way up to the monster exponential beasts. Stick around, 'cause by the end you'll feel like you just unlocked cheat codes for math. And subscribe for more content like this. Level 1. To solve this, we use the power move, multiplying both sides by 2. Now x divided by 2 transforms into x. Smooth upgrade. Now, let's swap sides like in a chess game. Variables on one team, constants on the other. Easy strategy, right? And boom. Equation solved. Who said math can't be fun? Next level loading. Level 2. This one looks tougher than the baby linear boss, but don't worry, we got cheat codes. First move, drag everything to one side. Now it looks like a proper Pokemon we can actually catch. And because that minus 2 times 3 is equal to minus 6 and minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. 2 factors, 2 chances to smack this boss down. Set each one equal to 0. So yeah, level 2 cleared. The mighty quadratic boss thought it was scary, but in reality, it was just 2 little minions in a trench coat. Level 3. New challenger has appeared. 2 square roots, looking like twin ninjas trying to confuse us. But nah, we got this. If 2 square roots are fighting but equal, it means. Translation: the ninja twins are actually clones of each other. Square it up. Boom. Simplify. Wait, hold up, that's nonsense. Math just trolled us harder than any video game boss. So guess what? There's no solution. Yeah, this boss wasn't even real, just an illusion to waste our potions. Level 4. Okay math warriors, new boss just spawned. An absolute value ninja versus a 6th root dragon. Let's see who wins. Before we swing our sword, check the arena rules. The 6th root needs its radicand non-negative. So we require. Since cube root is monotone, that means. Translation: only x values greater than or equal to 0.8736 are allowed. Negative sneaky ninjas are not invited to this party. Both sides are positive, so we can raise to the 6th power. Since minus x squared equals x squared, then the absolute value of x squared equals x squared. Boom, the dragon just transformed into a polynomial. Let's make life easier. Set y equals x to the power of 3. Now we've got. And because that, minus 1 plus 2 equals minus 3 and 2 times 1 is equal to 2. We can factor the equation easily. Math bosses dropping loot left and right. Both survived the domain check. So the final treasure is 2 positive real solutions. Who knew an absolute ninja and a root dragon could actually hand us free XP? Level final unlocked. The evil equation appears. This is not just an equation. This is the final boss of Mathland. Okay, time to use the secret weapon, variable change. Let's say y equals 5 to the power of x. Boom. Equation becomes. No more scary exponents, just a normal cubic. Easy peasy kinda. With a quick observation, we can factor this polynomial into 2 simple factors. Translation: roots are 1 and minus 1. But wait. 5 to the power of x can never be negative, so y equals minus 1 is sus. Kicked out. That leaves us with 5 to the power of x equals 1. Which means, x equals 0. And that's it. Final level cleared, no continues needed. If you had fun on this level, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next crazy challenges. We're only getting started, harder equations are waiting in the next levels. Are you ready to face them?